Okay, so the next parameter, important parameter which we have to discuss is the peak time. Okay, so let us see here from this figure where the peak time TP occurs, T subscript P. Okay, this. So this is the time instant at which the maximum value of the output occurs, CT max. Okay, the maximum value of the output occurs. It is that time instant. So the definition of peak time is, it is that time instant at which the value of the output is maximum, or the magnitude of the output is maximum. Okay, so it is the time at which the output reaches its maximum value. Okay, so the mathematical expression of peak time T subscript P is equal to pi by omega subscript T, where the damped frequency of oscillation, or it can be written as pi by omega n into root over of 1 minus zeta square. Okay, omega n into root over of 1 minus zeta square. So this is the expression of peak time, and the definition of peak time is it is the time instant at which the output response reaches its maximum value. Okay, TP, and this is the mathematical expression. Okay, so the next parameter which we have to discuss is called as the peak overshoot. Okay, peak overshoot or the maximum overshoot. So what is this peak overshoot or maximum overshoot? This is this value, CT max. Okay, what is the value? What is the maximum value? We know that the maximum value, the time instant at which the maximum value occurs, it is the peak time, and that is pi by omega d. We know that, but what is the value of CT max? Okay, so that is called as the peak overshoot or maximum overshoot. Okay, CT max. Okay, that is called as the peak overshoot. Okay, and the mathematical expression for it is given by e to the power minus pi zeta by root over of 1 minus zeta square. Okay, exponent, this is the exponent, exponential e to the power minus pi zeta by root over of 1 minus zeta square. So if you have to express it in terms of percentage, okay, this in terms of percentage, you just multiply this into 100. Okay, normally it is expressed in terms of percentage. Okay, you just multiply 100. So this is the expression, mathematical expression for CT max. Okay, the value, the magnitude of CT max, which is e to the power minus pi zeta by root over of 1 minus zeta square. Okay, so next important parameter is the mathematical expression for settling time. Okay, so let us discuss that also. Okay, so the next parameter which we are going to discuss is the settling time. Okay, so we know that from this output response, the output first reaches the steady state value at the rise time, then it reaches the peak overshoot at the peak time, then the amplitude, okay, it gradually decreases with each successive oscillation as time progresses, and finally at the settling time the output again reaches the steady state value. Okay, but actually it does not reach definitely at definite value 1. Okay, the output always stays in the steady state okay, at the steady state, the output always stays in the range of 2% to 5% range of the steady state value, of the steady state value. The output will never reach the value, the steady state value at pinpoint the steady state value. It will never reach. It will always stay within this range, 2% to 5% of this steady state value, this line, this horizontal line. Okay, normally it is taken as 100%, and for that, so the time at which this output it reaches this 2% to 5% of the steady state value, that is called as the settling time. Okay, that is called as the settling time. So the settling time, the definition of settling time, it is the time instant at which the output response reaches 2 to 5% of the steady state value. Okay, so for these 2 points the expression will be different for settling time. For example, for 2% of the steady state value, okay, for 2% of steady state value, the settling time expression is 4 by zeta omega n, and for 5% of the steady state value, the settling time expression, the mathematical expression, is 3 by zeta omega n. Okay, so it is different for the different percentage levels. Okay, for 2% is 4 by zeta omega n, the settling time, and for 5% is 3 by zeta omega n. Okay, the mathematical expression of settling time. So the important thing here is to remember the definition of settling time. It is the time instant at which the output it reaches 2 to 5% range of the steady state value. It stays within that range, and for different levels, okay, for 2% level the settling time expression is 4 by zeta omega n, and for 5% level the settling time expression is 3 by zeta omega n. Okay, so here we have discussed the 5 important parameters associated with the time response analysis of a second order system to unit step input for the underdamped case, that is zeta lesser than 1. So always remember the characteristic features of the output response in terms of the delay time, rise time, peak time, the peak overshoot, the settling time, the definitions. Okay, always remember the definitions, then try to correlate them with the mathematical expressions, and then use them for the various purposes, be it for understanding other complex systems or for solving numericals, whatever. Okay, so always remember the definition, the basic concept. Okay, so here we have discussed all the important parameters associated with the time response specifications, the analysis. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and communication engineering. Have a great day. Thank you very much.